Now we will do 3-in-1 shoulder block. This is done under local. एक इंजेक्शन लग रहा है छोटा सा लॉगी में. So from one spinal needle we will go inside the shoulder. Save. Save. Now we have gone on the head of the humerus. Die. बढ़िया है. Save. Now we will do hydro-dissection. You will see dye going around. You will release the shoulder cuff. See, we have released the shoulder cuff. Save. और दे 10 में. So this is called hydro-dissection, which is very important for frozen shoulder. You can release the shoulder. You can see I am releasing. थोड़ा दर्द आएगा. बस हो गया. But the shoulder we will inject into the suprascapular muscle dye. So from one entry we will release shoulder. We will inject into the suprascapular muscle and in joint, which is painful. हाँ ये ठीक है. See, now you can see there the dye going into suprascapular muscle. We'll inject there. थोड़ा सा और करना गुड चाहिए. बस हो गया. बस जी बस almost. Now we will go to the bursa. Now this is the supraspinatus muscle. Save. Now this is the subacromian space. Very good. Now we will inject into this and come out in AC joint and we will come out. थोड़ा रिलूट करा कर दिया वो भी और Now we will keep on injecting and we will come out. Going, see the muscle. Save. Now this is subacromian. Now I'm inside the joint. I'm not able to go, so slightly go down. Into the joint and come out. Okay, finish. This is called 3-in-1 block. So we have done everything from single needle. Finish. हो गया जी. आपका कंधा ना खोल दिया हमने.